Hello YouTube. This video helps you fix your laptop's black screen. Welcome to the Technical Take, the best place for the tech updates. There are a few ways. Fix the connection issue with the monitor. Roll back the display driver adapter via safe mode. Prompt a system restore and refresh the screen via a window sequence. Window key plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B. But first, what I would do is hold down the power key for 10 to 15 seconds and do a hard reset on your device. The majority of the black screen comes from a recent changes to your system, which is probably an update. You will just have to roll back whatever you updated. Now keep in mind, just because it says there's an update available, you want to research that first, because not all updates are good for your computer.